all the drivers ready? We have thumbs up. Are all referees ready? I have flags up. And Andreas will start the race. The engines are running. It's time to start the 2012 Young European Truck Driver Finals. It will start in 3, 2, 1, go! And you can look at the screen here to see the drivers struggling with the steering wheel. Stefan has a relaxed kind of one-hand tactic. And you see how close it is to the barrels. And they're pretty equal. And soon there will come to first clearing out the first bend. Now it's Dmitrey that it takes drives forward, find a new angle. Different tactics you can see here, but I think Dmitrey is having the best tactics. He's the quickest and no penalties so far. That's a pretty good tactic.
That's very good.
While they are reversing, the judges are making the track narrower, so there's not that much room when they go forward. Now they need to knock the red king down without knocking the blue ones down. If they knock down the blue one, as we said earlier, they need to go out of the truck, drive forward maybe 1 meter, then go out of the truck, race up the blue one again, and try again. And they can't see anything there. That was perfect from Dmitrey. Dmitrey is doing very well. So our zero penalty guy is still having a nice track record. And there was another cone down perfectly. So that's 2 out of 2 for Dmitrey. And you get... What happens if you touch the walls? Gabriel from Ireland is also reversing to the final cone. Are they allowed to touch the walls, or do they have to? No touching of walls, no part of the truck outside the lines. So this is the most demanding, but you can see Dmitrey is far ahead now. He has completed 3 cones now. Dmitrey on the middle track. Gabriel on the furthest and closest to the stage is Stefan. But now it's very, very tight on the drive forward, and Dmitrey has to remember that. And now our French driver is of course aware of Dmitrey's situation, how far ahead he is. Stefan also cleared the reverse cone without penalty. Gabriel from Ireland is doing very well. Yeah. He just found out that the track is narrow now. Nothing is settled yet. So they competed earlier today in a similar track, but it has been altered to be more complicated. And we see now France with an excellent comeback. Stefan is only 1 cone behind, and Gabriel is out of his cap. We see both again forward, and so is Dmitry. It is going to be close now. So Gabriel has caught some space. And Dmitry. No, Dmitry, but he has to reverse now. And Gabriel. Is working his way in as number 3, but we need to wait for the official result, and we ask the drivers to come to stage to get the official result and enter the podium. Give him a big hand of applause.